Bruxism. Bruxism, grinding and gnashing of the teeth. Bruxism is due to clenching of the teeth other than in chewing and is associated with forceful lateral or protrusive jaw movements. This results in the grinding or rubbing together of the teeth. Bruxism can injure teeth and cause local pain in the mouth or jaw and may contribute to temporomandibular joint, TMJ, syndrome. Bruxism.